How to unfollow someone on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Quick Guide. Today we have got a quick tutorial for all you TikTok users. We are going to guide you through the process of unfollowing someone on the TikTok app. So if you are ready, let's get started. Firstly, open the TikTok app. Make sure you have the latest version of the TikTok app installed on your mobile device. Once you are all set, open the app. Go to your profile. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Access your following list. On your profile, look for the following count. Tap on it to access the list of accounts you are following. Find the account to unfollow. Scroll through the list and find the account you want to unfollow. You can use the search bar at the top for quicker navigation. Now unfollow the account. Once you have located the account, tap the following button next to their username. This will unfollow them. You may need to confirm your action, so follow any on-screen prompts. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to unfollow someone on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips and hit the bell icon to stay updated. If you have any questions or if there's a specific TikTok tutorial you would like to see, leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in and I will see you guys on the next video.